my god, this is destroying everything. I never get bored. And we have this sword in hand that we can activate. I thought I was smiling with this game. Yeah. The objective is to remove fat blockages. Okay, there's some gross sound effects as well.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to search and destroy blockages in the person's blood vessels. Use your robotic arms to move away the fat cells when you find them. His life is in your hands. Good luck.
So I don't know if you can make it in this demo, but
so you are basically a space admiral, and your mission is to use your ships and shoot the enemy turrets and enemy ships. So you can select them with the one controller, and those are fire zones, so ships will shoot at them if there are enemies inside.
It is free. It's really nice.